Okay guys, so particular video where I am going to guide you that how will you manage your college studies and your GATE preparation, because college studies is also very important, because from there you are going to get the degree with very good percentage, and if you are having sufficient percentage then you can go for directly PhD after your BTech, like if you are getting really good CGPA or good percentage in your college. But the trouble is, from whatever college you are, IIT, NIT, government colleges, any other private colleges, good college, bad college, like whatever, you have to suffer the same issue, like having college work pressure and then GATE preparation. It is very similar to someone like who is preparing for two different exams. Like sometimes people target IELTS GRE and they take GATE also side by side. So even they face like how to handle two different competitive exams. So first of all, I am not in favor that you should target two different competitive exams, because I have never done that. So I don't have experience like how will you handle two different exams. So I will not talk about that. But if you are doing that, so you can have some similar ideas you can take from this logic. Okay, but how will you manage college preparation with your GATE preparation? That is very important. We will discuss this here. And once like if you guys are on my channel for the very first time, and this is your first video on my channel Concept Library, then you should know about me. I have qualified GATE 6 times, and already lot of like this is a channel especially dedicated for GATE Aerospace Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering. Okay, so already all the videos are there on my channel. I have uploaded all the academic videos, and now I'm uploading GATE guidance videos, and meanwhile I'll be uploading some academic videos as well from the live classes. Like I am taking classes for GATE Aerospace from last 6-7 years, and so many toppers I have given, they are into IIT now. So stay on my channel for few days and go through all the videos, all the playlists, and enjoy a lot, and you will learn a lot. And then if you have not joined GATE Aerospace coaching yet, do it soon. Like you are already wasting so much time. Don't hesitate, just join the coaching center. Now come to this point, how can you manage your GATE preparation and your college life? So see, you just consider that on average people are starting their day for the college purpose at 8 a.m. and they are finishing their day around 6 p.m. So roughly it comes as exactly 10 hours. So okay, let's discuss it this way, that okay, for 10 hours you are busy. If 10 hours you are spending in college, then remaining hours are 14, and now in these 14 hours roughly 7 hours or less than 7 hours, 6:30 or like 6 and a half and 7 hours, this much time you are going to sleep, and then remaining same hours like 6 to 7 hours remaining for your personal life. In that personal life you have to do your college work as well, and you have to do your GATE preparation as well. So see guys, if you are in my coaching center, then you know very well Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we have core subject for GATE Aerospace, but that is only for two and a half hours, 8:30 to 11. So that day you don't study anything, you only attend the live classes, but remaining 4 days you are free. In that 4 days you do for GATE practice. Okay, but how will you manage? Now see, I'll tell you the same thing, because video courses are also available. So if your college work is very hectic, that day you don't attend the live class with me, you watch the videos, and I'm already available for the doubt session. So already you are calling for the doubt sessions. So that class what you are missing and watching the video, in the video if you are getting any doubt, then you can ask to me about the doubts and I'll explain the doubt. Okay, but students who are doing self-study, students who are into different coaching center and still like suffering from same, and this video I'm making because of Shruti is my student, and this topic didn't come in my mind that okay, students are suffering for GATE exam from long time because they are managing very hectic college schedule, college work. I should not say hectic schedule, like because of GATE separate classes they mess up with the schedule. Otherwise they have sufficient time in college, and after that they have sufficient time for college work, but meanwhile they have to bring the GATE preparation. But the problem is, if you will not bring GATE preparation, then when will you prepare for GATE exam? You need to find out time in this itself, whatever video schedule you have. So see, it depends on your coaching. Like when your coaching is attending the live classes, I mean they are scheduling the live classes, that time you go and attend the live classes. But if the same day you have some hard and fast routine, something else, like, or your college is giving some kind of heavy assignment, or your semester exams are running, then you focus on that part. Because nowadays whatever coaching centers, including me, whoever is attending arranging live classes, they are also having the same recorded lectures also. So that lecture you can watch later, and if you're getting any doubt, you can ask to me. Like if you're from my coaching center, or else if you're from different coaching center, then they should have some separate doubt session like I take. They should have that. Okay, so college life is important. College time, college workload is also very important because you learn a lot of things, and college studies will also affect your GATE result in positive way. It's not like college life and college studies are waste. No, it's not like see, when you are preparing for GATE exam, then whatever you are learning, it will support your college rank, college marks, and university. Like you will your rank and marks will go high. But same thing, similar thing, when you are into college, then there also whatever you are learning, that will also support your GATE preparation, and your knowledge will enhance a lot. So college studies and GATE studies you do at a time. But how will you manage? So for that, when you have heavy workload in college, that day you go down in your live classes. Don't attend live classes. Go through the video courses, and whatever doubts you have, you ask your doubt. But when your semester exams are coming closer, that time you pay little time on your GATE preparation. What kind of GATE preparation? You only revise your previous notes. Do not waste a lot of time that in those days, because that time your focus should be your semester exams. And one more thing, it depends on your paper, like what kind of paper you are you have next day. In that paper, how prepared you are. Like for example, if you are having propulsion, then propulsion is a very good subject, so you need a lot of, like before propulsion, like almost 1 week will be completely hectic for your GATE for your college exam preparation. But if you have some light exam, for example, if you have aerodynamics, so that day like 2 to 3 days is sufficient. You can just revise and you can go and you can have aerodynamics. If you have flight mechanics, that is simply, they are simple subjects, you can go and you can so like that you can know that like what are the subjects are tough in coming exams, what subjects are easy. So based on that, you can find out your time, and then you have to cut your time from your college work and something, your personal life, and you have to put that time. Now I will erase everything. Main idea is everyday GATE touch is very, very important. Everyday GATE touch means what? Suppose like there are some days when you are able to sit for 4 to 5 hours for your GATE preparation, but there are some days like you are totally booked, but that day also you have to find at least 1 hour, and you don't have to study something new. You have to revise the previous thing. Now, how will you manage your college with your GATE schedule? I hope you got some rough idea. Now let's make it very strong, and you have to follow this. How will you follow? How will you make this? So see, today morning at 8 a.m. you are busy for your college. After that, meanwhile, on the way, like if any period is free and there is no lecture in some slot, then that time you can cover I think half an hour something. Okay, so that will also make a very good value in your life, correct? If you are using that half an hour in your GATE preparation. It's not like, okay, let's move to cafeteria, let's start chit chat or something, let's involve you into some kind of sports or something. No. You should have your dream very clear. You have to qualify GATE exam when you are in 3rd year. You have to qualify your GATE exam when you are in 4th year. You have to qualify GATE exam as soon as possible, and just immediately after 4 years of degree, you have to be in IIT or IISc. This should be your dream plan. Clearly, you should have only one goal. You don't have to take any kind of year drop immediately after your course of 4 years. Then you have to go to masters in any dream IITs. Okay, like this. So that's why you should be very, very cautious. Your half an hour is very important. You should not waste your half an hour. Like if you are free, it's like you are free for GATE exam. If any classes are not running in your university, in your college, and that time is free, don't waste your life. Don't go with your friends. Don't sit into cafeteria. Don't go here and there and something. Don't sit on your laps. Like, no, you make yourself for the GATE exam. You, whatever time is now, that time you make notes and something, then only this can be this will add value in your GATE preparation. Otherwise, you will be like others. They can also prepare for GATE exam, but they are not preparing for GATE exam. Why? Seniors are like saying that no, GATE is tough. Juniors are having in fear to get GATE is tough. People who did not clear GATE exam because they could not prepare well, they will tell you GATE exam is tough. But main thing is, input what is required, no one is doing that. I mean, no one is applying that input. No one is giving that much effort. That's why GATE exam is you are not able to qualify GATE exam. Otherwise, you have lot of examples in your college or nearby colleges or your friend's college. You can see some seniors, they are cracking GATE exam, aerospace I'm talking, just because of self-study. Why? Because they are able to manage. They are not finding some extra 1 hour or 2 hour in a day. And it's not like they are enrolled into some other courses. In the same lifestyle, they are finding out their loopholes where they are wasting the time. So in this video, what you have to understand, main key factor is find your loophole, find where your time is being wasted. Only 2 hours I am expecting from you. Only 2 hours I am expecting from you. Don't you think that if you are traveling, during the travel you can watch my video and you can make your notes? Okay, making notes is not possible during transport in your college bus, but it's okay. Something you can do, right? At least one lecture you can complete, and when you find the time, then you can make a proper note. Or when you are into the transport, that time you watch the lecture, and when you are having lunch time, that time quickly you take down the notes, finish your lunch quickly. You have to put effort, you have to make yourself different, then only your GATE rank will be different. Otherwise, if you will be like, see, some 100 students are there in your college, for example, all the 100s are writing GATE exam. No, why are they not writing GATE exam? They know that they cannot crack GATE exam. Otherwise, if someone will tell you that you can crack GATE exam, so from childhood you know that once I will be in third year or final year, I will definitely crack the GATE exam. It is like God gifted. Then definitely you will take GATE exam. So that kind of confidence level they don't have. That's why they are not writing GATE exam. You check yourself. You check yourself in your I think 80 plus students will be there in your college, in your department, in your batch. So all the 80s are writing GATE exam. No, why are they not writing GATE exam? Because those people are having lack of guidance, lack of confidence. And why lack of guidance? Because who is guiding them? They are not coming to my concept library channel regularly. Okay, if they will come to me, I will guide them. So now if I am not guiding them, who is guiding them? Their seniors and all those bad stories what they have heard, like in their past, in the past few years, their seniors could not qualify GATE exam. So they will say, GATE is very tough, man, I will not writing, I'm moving abroad. What is the C? Most of the time when people, they don't clear GATE exam, they will plan for abroad. I will go and I will do masters for abroad. See, there are two types of students. Some students, they will go to abroad because really they are willing to go to abroad, and they have dreamed that they will do masters from abroad, and they have sufficient amount of money, and they will. But most of the time when students are not able to clear GATE exam, that time also they will create the same scene in background that I am interested in abroad. Okay, but see, man, GATE exam is not tough. If you will mess up with your routine, then everything is tough. How to find out valuable time out of your busy schedule? This is an art. You have to develop this. You have to learn this in 1 day or 1 week. You cannot create this kind of attitude that, okay, I'm very like God gifted person. Every half an hour I am able to make it good for me, and I'm able to incline towards GATE exam. In what I'm not wasting any half an hour. No, you will do it. You will waste your time. So you have to learn how to save that time. This is only an art. So how will you save that time? For that purpose, you put some kind of practice. So I am telling you, very good practice before going to bed. I mean, you are on the bed, you are about to sleep, so you keep on a small diary. On that diary, you write down next day schedule. Guys, remember, whenever in childhood we used to make a long timetable for 1 month, 1 week, it will not run for that time, because we are socialized person. Every day some new things are about to happen, and because of that we will mess up with our schedule. Like, we will not get the continuity of 10 days or 15 days or 30 days or 1 week and 1 year, you forget. Okay, so but every one single day schedule we can prepare. How can we prepare every single day schedule? It is very easy. When you are about to sleep, just before that you take your diary and write down that next day whatever work you are assigning to yourself, your college work, in college this much time you are going to spend, then you will come back at 6 o'clock, then 8 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, then you will attend the GATE class, and then I'll solve aircraft structure, I will solve aircraft propulsion, I have to ask doubts in this particular subject, I have to call GATE teacher, I have to call my college teacher, like this, that, all the schedules you take down. Okay, and meanwhile, one very important thing everyone is ignoring, that is your sleeping pattern and your food habit, because sleep is very important, because that is kind of battery for your life. Whatever energy you have, whatever work you have to do, you need energy. So sleep is very important. So you take care of your sleep. You should sleep properly, 6-7 hours, whatever. Otherwise, if you will compromise your sleep for 1 or 2 days or more than that, then after that 1 week you will collapse. Next 1 week will not be very healthy. Okay, so you change this kind of habit. And next part is your food habits. You eat whatever is helping you to work well. You don't eat till here and sleep, whole day finish. No, you should not do in that way. I hope I'm very clear. And whatever, and one very important thing. See, if you are new, spend some time on my channel and go through all the videos, all the structure, propulsion, aerodynamics, stability, mathematics, aptitude, everything is there. And then you join my coaching center for GATE Aerospace exam, and all the success stories you go through. And one more thing, if you want to make your interview on my channel, you want to share your struggle story, your success stories, whatever, then contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Let's meet on WhatsApp.